This is the third video in the series about how to install a bathroom sink, and in the first one I explained to you what top to choose and how to choose it. The second one I explained to you how to choose the sink and what to take into account. And now I'm going to explain you what other things you might need to think about. If you saw the second video, you might know that I mentioned that when choosing the top, you have to also think about what other things you want to install on the top, and this is also related to how big your sink is going to be. And to give you an example, this is what I want to show you right now. This is what is called monocomando. It's a piece of hydraulica which allows you to connect two entries, the cold water, the hot water, and another entry which goes actually another output which goes to a small little bidet shower. So I want to install this on top of the top, and then with this little piece, as you see, is half of my hand, so it's really small. I just want to be able to manage the bidet shower. Some people install this in the wall, so be sure that there are other things which go in a better direction. When it goes to the wall, it's better that the connections are to the horizontally and not vertically like that. But since I'm going to install this, to give you an idea, in the top it would go like that. So it's really convenient for me that actually the directions of the connection of the water, I was just researching so much to find a monocomando which has the direction of the water pointing downwards and not horizontally, because it's a lot easier to then come here and connect actually the shower and the hot water and cold water. So just pay also attention to this, because details like that, details like how the height of the top, how much hole you have to do, these are details which can make your project be quite delayed, because you might need to change these components on the middle, and maybe you just have to finish the work. So pay attention to this. This is an example about other things that you might want to put on the top, and that also might determine the sizing of your sink.